So, good morning to each and everyone. So, we are the Group 5 and we are the reporters morning. So, our topic this morning was all about Vygotsky's social-cultural theory. So, nanabay, parang tanan, ipitin na pang-edit nyo. So, si Lev Vygotsky, she says that what a child can do in cooperation today, tomorrow she or he will be able to do alone. So, kinsay na idea about ano yung savings or
so daw?
Wants to share some ideas. Hurry! Sige. So, it means that a child needs guide first. So, if the child na-guide na sila o tarong, na-assist na sila o tarong, so, they are eligible to do anything by his own independently. So, the word cooperation, it is the guidance or assistance of the other people. So, for example, kanang sa kabata nga, kanabitang tunduan nato sila, ang sa kabata nga, tunduan nato sila mulakaw, tapos, ato silang asisan bitaw. So, ang bata na, if ma-asisan na sila, sooner or later, they become kanang itong makabalo na sila mulakaw independentist sa ilang kabalikod. Next, let us know about Lev Vygotsky. So, he was born in Russia and in 1896. His work began when he was studying, learning, and development through his own teaching. His lifetime, he wrote on language, taught psychology of art, learning development, and educating students with special needs. His ideas is about language, culture, and cognitive development have become major influences in psychology education today. So before we proceed to Vygotsky theory, let's have So let's have the activity first, pero later na lang ninyo siya ipasa. Basaw na lang, kanang after na lang guro, ay para ang time ba? Sige na?
Magpa-activity ba?
Next is Vygotsky theory. Vygotsky theory is that social interaction plays a very important role in individual development. He believed that individual development could not be understood without looking into the social and cultural context within which development happens. So, sa kay Lev Vygotsky theory kay ang importante dito kay ang social interaction sa usang kabata o sa adult. So, for example, ani kay kanang bata kay imong gitugan o kasulat sa papel. So, dapat rin mo siya guide daan. Ayanin mo siya ayanin mo siya pasagdan mo siya na iyan ang mahimong tanan. So addition sa iyang ingon. So si Vygotsky, he believes that ang way para ma-develop ang ato mga abilities is through social and cultural context. So why social? Kay we need to interact with other people para makakita o kanang kaalam or skills. So for cultural naman, ito ay tungkol sa mga belief or mga attitudes and language na need natin siya i-consider. So, cultural context or factors kasi nakaka-apekto ito sa pag-develop ng isang tao. So, yes, this is true na maka-apekto din siya sa development sa usang kabata or sa kagao. So, there is no any progressions in our cognitive development if we don't wala tayo social or socialization or cultural context. That's why if there's no social interaction, the children cannot develop their ability to use the language, so there is no kanang wala siya development sa usa ka bata.
Scaffolding is a Vygotsky term for the appropriate given by the teacher to assist the learner at the task. Ang ibig sabihin ng scaffolding ay nagbibigay ang guro o tagapagturo ng tamang suporta sa tamang oras. At kapag handa ka na, sila yung matas at pinapayagan ka mag-isa sa paggawa ng gawain. So, when Vygotsky was a young boy, he was educated under a teacher who used the Socratic method. This method was a systematic question and answer approach that allowed Vygotsky to examine current thinking and process higher levels of understanding.
So, addition siya gingon, no? So, si Vygotsky at the young age, na-expose na si Vygotsky sa Socratic method of learning, which means kanang debate approach between the teacher and the student. So, ang reason why nahimo to niya nga theory is because of based sa iyang mga experiences o kana iyang itong interest sa iyang interest. So next, let's have a sociocultural theory of development. Vygotsky developed his theories around the same time as Swiss psychologist Jean Piaget was developing theories about cognitive development, but they differ on almost every point. So si Jean Piaget o si Vygotsky, they are developing the cognitive development, but they have different na sila lahi-lahi ng perspective or kanang point or kanang views about kanang theory. So pareha lang sila o kwan kanang i-develop na theory, pero lahi-lahi lang point of view or perspective na about sa theory. So Vygotsky's social development theory asserts that a child's cognitive development and learning ability can be guided and educated by their social interaction. So Vygotsky believed that the child is a social being. So and cognitive development is led by social interaction. So the social cultural theory of cognitive development explores the influence the world has on individual development. So example kay ang usa ka bata nga want to ride kanang example a bike kanang gusto siya ay kanang a child learning to ride a bike. Tapos, for example, butang natin ito nga ayang father mo ay mag-assist dito sa iya. Pero, dili lang makuha nito ang development sa usa ka bata. If, di ko lang siya assistan, so need sad siya, kanang action lang dito, dili lang action lang gabiton. So, need sad siya o kanang verbally nga, like, kanang itong, sa tawag ka na, need sad siya verbally nga pagtudo sa usa ka bata. Paon sa mag-ride sa usa ka bike. So, the father here, di ba sa kong ingon, ang papa mo ka-assist. So, ang tawag ato nga, the father is that, ang ginatawag ato ni Vygotsky, ang father nga kuwan, siya ang ginatawag ko kanang MTO. So, with a more knowledgeable other. So, MTO, we will discuss it later by my along and code groups.
require that because it is more social and focused that purpose states but emphasize and cultural factors in cognitive development. What are the differences between the Jaget's and both permanent and cognitive development of progressing perspectives on how children learn. Social interaction. Jaget's theory was more individual while it was more social. Jaget's on the says focus heavily on how an individual's development becomes evident of the individual's own processing of the task. Because on the other hand, is more weight on the social interaction that contribute to the cognitive development for individuals for the social environment of the community depends on a major role in one's development.
Sige, sa social interactions, di ba sila kay about Piaget o si Vygotsky. So, di ba, parehas na sila develop which is kanang personal theories, cognitive development, pero lahi-lahi sila perspective or point of view about anang theory. So, kay Piaget, kay the development of a child depends on kanang the learner. So, kanang ikaw independently mo yung makakon sa imong development. Tapos, while kay Vygotsky na ang young development based on social interaction.
So, cultural factors. Vygotsky believed in the crucial role that culture plays on the cognitive development of children. So, Vygotsky's view culture as a key or solution for cognitive development through social interaction. So, kailangan ng mga bata na sila face to face para ma-alert sa maka-develop ilang learning. So, Piaget believed that as the children develop and matures, they get through universal stage of cognitive development that allows them to move from simple explanation with sense muscles to complex reasoning. So, Piaget viewed cognitive development as a series of universal stages that children navigate independently. So, ang mga bata daw is mag-view sila about magtanaw na sila sa series or sa mga series or magtanaw na sila ba tapos na sila yung ma-learn sa mag-learn sila ilahara through magtanaw sila mga videos.
So, sa cultural factors, for example, in a certain community, di ba, kanang ma-develop ang imo ang learnings or kanang it depends on sa imo ang surroundings or ma-adapt mo sa imo ang environment. So, muna siya sa cultural factors. Tapos, next is the language. Ang diba? Sige ba na?
language, yung kanang communicate with other people.
You can communicate so if we don't have language, diba, we cannot communicate, we cannot interact with other people. So language is very essential din sa atong hinabuhi. So next.
So language. For Vygotsky, this thinking to oneself is an indication of the thinking that goes in the mind of the child. This will eventually lead to private speech. Private speech is a form of self-talk that guides the children's thinking and action. So, tinuring ni Vygotsky ang wika bilang isang pangunahin o primary tools para sa pag-unlad ng cognitive development. So, sa pribadong pagsasalita ay nagsilbing kritikal na mekanismo kung saan ginagabayan ang mga bata sa kanilang mga iniisip at kilo. So, kailangan nila isipin mo na bago gawin. So, think before you do para kung naman kayo mga kasulti, unaw-unaw mo kung sa'yo mong isulti para walay misunderstanding or wala kayo masulti nga dili mo or dili niya sabtan.
So next, we have zone of proximal development. So I will lang sa addition siya kay di ba na siya nag-mention dito nga ay nasa PPTs kanang word of private speech. Diba is a form of self-talk that guides the child thinking. So it is essentially a way for children to guide their own actions and thoughts. Where a child talks to themselves, ilang kaugalingon lang, tapos that typically emerge in children around the age of 2 to 7 years. So we all know that diba, ang language is very important sa ating life. So tinuturuan tayo na matuto at tinuturuan tayo na matuto through language. Tapos mas madali na to siya, mas madali sa usang bata nga makabalo. Mas madali matuto ang isang bata kung tuturuan nito habang kinakausap dahil mas madali na maintindihan. So para sa akong example kanina, so dili na siya in actions, hindi mo siya nga tuturuan ang isa ka bata, pero hindi mo siya nga verbally, hindi mo siya or istoryahan or hindi mo siya verbally tuturuan para mas dali nila masabtan ang hindi mo sa. So example kay sa private speech, di ba kay private speech kay self-talk. So example lang ni kay, di ba kapag ang bata ay kanang nagdula dito sila, they are usually talk to herself. Example, para sa ning examples, sasabihin nila gagawin ko no airplane. At ito naman ang airport for ang airport. So kana siya ngayon gingon, isayaan ang kaugalingon. So mano siya ginatawag ni Vygotsky o talking to oneself. So naglalaro sila mag-isa habang nag-istorya sila sa ilang kaugalingon. Sa ilang kaugalingon lang. So muna siya ginatawag of private speech. So okay. That's ang private speech. Kanang self-talk. Zone of proximal development. The differences between the child can accomplish alone and what she can accomplish with the guidance of another is what Vygotsky referred to as zone of proximal development. The zone represents a learning opportunity where a knowledgeable adult such as a teacher or parent or a more advanced peer can assist the child's development. So, Vygotsky zone of proximal development is a concept that refers to the difference between what a learner kanang mga na walay guidance sa usa ka more knowledgeable person. So or MKO. So ang MKO, it means that ang mga MKO, kanang kitang MKO kay kanang di ba more knowledgeable person sila ni parents, teacher, tapos advanced peers, kanang kitang naa sila yung mga greater na nga understanding. Muna sila ang ginatawag o MKO. So, ang usa ka bata, dili nila mahimo ang usa ka task or ang dili nila mahimo ang proficient nga task kung siya lang mismo ang mag-perform. So, need sila o kanang assist from their peers, sa mga parents, sa teachers, or sa adults. So, muna siya ginatawag ng MKO, kanang parents, adults. So, for example, kanang ang bata nga, example in school, sa school, di ba, sa elementary, ang usa ka bata is tuluan at ang magtulo sa ila is ang teacher, di ba, kung sa magsulat. So, para ang usa ka bata is makabalo sila how to write example, the alphabet letter. What are the alphabet letter? Magka kayo ang mga alphabet letter. So, para makabalo sila sila makasulat is through kanang assist by the teachers, pag-teach sa usa ka teacher. Tapos, next is, so for example, another example sa zone of nasa dira na kabutang zone of actual development. So, ang zone actual of development, kanini siyang kanang dili wala kay intention nga makabalo ka ana. Ang imo lang is, for example, kanang maligo kag dagat. So, pag maligo kag dagat, ay example, dili ka kabalo mo lang oy, pinaligo kag dagat. So, imo lang dito is ligo lang dito sa kilid. Like kanang adto. Pero, ang muna siya zone of actual development. Pero ang zone of proximal development, katong siyang kanang tutuan di ba ka habang sa mulangoy, o sa musalong, kanang itutuan na ka. Muna siya zone of proximal development.
The support or assistance that needs the child accomplish a task or not accomplishment and definitely is called scaffolding. So, ang suporta o tulong to let the child accomplish a task kay muna na siya itawag o scaffolding. Kanang, for example, ano kay kanang na intapa ang mama dahil intapa ko ko siyang anak kaso pag tirinta sa sapatos, muna na siya scaffolding. Next, scaffolding is not about doing the task for the child while he watches. It is not about doing shortcuts for the child. So, it should involve the judicious assistance given by the adult or peers so that the child can move from the zone of actual to the zone of proximal development. So, for example, Ani is with the adult unzip the zipper and reach or two and then hold the lunchbox so that the child can continue to unzip the lunchbox scaffolding. So, another example is kapag ang guro ay nagtuturo sa bata kung paano magbasa, kung nahihirapan ang bata sa salita, ang guro ay magbibigay ng mga clue o encouraging the child to use clues from the picture or the sounds of the letters but not immediately giving the answers. Habang natututo ang bata, ang guro ay unti-unting magbabawas ng tulong hanggang sa kaya ng bata gawin ito ng mag-isa is a scaffolding. So loosening the food container lid just a bit, letting the child open the lid himself is scaffolding. So leading the screw to the hole and letting the child put the screw through the microbox in the hole is called scaffolding.
So, additional sa scaffolding, no, kanang, for example, kanang itong isa ka bata, di ba, hindi pa man sila once nga bata pa, or kanang wala pa yung ibot, di ba, mo sila mag-suot dito sa chinelas. ikatulo, ikaw na hinihimo. Ikaw na hinihimo, tapos ikaw na lang kumurag naglanta or something help nga na. Tapos ang ikapat, ikaw gahimo, ako galantaw na lang ay so ang katong ikatulo kay ikaw gahimo, tapos ako ang gitabangan. So muna siya ang MPO kanang mag-stop MPO stop. So learning will depend on the skill of the MPO and the learner's readiness and ability to learn and the difficulty of skills he learn. So that's all guys. So if there's any kanang questions, kanang wala man ito sa saptaan. Sige Josh, kabalang ko kanina pa kayo nakapangutan ko Lord. Sawan. Sige na. So balik na. Ang zone na proximal development, ito siyang kanang igluanan mo ang isang kabata para makabalo siya ng abutang. Tapos ang zone of actual, kanang wala kay endurance, ito makuan. Kung ito siya, ikaw lang kagamuan. Sa tampigan na. Wala siya ga-reflect nito sa development mo. Para sa kong example kanina. Tapos, ang private speech kay self-talk, ang scaffolding kay assisted by the mga tapos ang MDO, muna to siya ang knowledgeable others, which are the parents, adults,